everybody, it's your girl Sunreey, and this is my friend Callie Curls.
Hi, what's up everybody?
Yes, she is a hair guru. You guys can follow her on Instagram and on YouTube. Her hair, I'm telling y'all, she's blessed. She perfected her hair regimen. It's popping.
I don't know about perfecting. We're getting there. We're getting there.
You said one day at a time, okay? But yeah, today we're collabing because I'm gonna style her hair. We're gonna be doing some feed-in cornrows featuring some individual style-ish. So we're gonna figure out a name in the process of this. But stay tuned, watch the video, and it's gonna be nice. All right, so bye. Guys, we have just finished Sierra's hair, and this is the finished look. It looks so good. She is a queen. Check her out, y'all.
This hairstyle came out beautifully. If you want to see more pictures and videos, our Instagram links are below. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys soon.